Hema Malini's Mercedes, after the car was involved in a fatal accident yesterday evening. The Mercedes was involved in a collision with an Alto in Dausa in Rajasthan. A 4-year-old who was killed was travelling with 4 relatives, including her parents and another young child who have been hospitalized. The BJP MP Hema Malini also received some injuries, a gash above her eyes, though nothing serious. According to the police, the BJP leader's car was speeding, although the driver of the Alto may not have been paying attention.
उन्होंने पूरे रास्ते बोला कि प्लीज जल्दी चलाइए, पेन
ब्लीडिंग कहाँ हो रही है उनको?
ब्लड सर के ऊपर, यहाँ आँख के ऊपर राइट साइड।
चोट की बात बताई उन्होंने?
चोट बैक में और पाँव में और सर पे।
इंटरनल इंजरी नहीं है ना?
जी, अभी उसके बाद डॉक्टर्स चेक कर रहे हैं अंदर, जो भी इंजरी होगी उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट आएगी।
दौसा से पहले एक लालसोट बाईपास पड़ता है, तो उधर से एक लालसोट बाईपास से गाड़ी आ रही थी और आप सीधे आ रहे थे जयपुर के लिए, तो वहां पर एक वो जो ट्रैक्टर है वहां पर आके गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। लेकिन कुछ शुक्रिया है कि हमारे ये एक मिलने वाले डॉक्टर शिव है, वो मौके पे पहुंच गए, उन्होंने सबको लेके।
हेमा जी कितनी चोट है?
हेमा जी को बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, वो मतलब सिर में चोट है, लेकिन वो खुद गाड़ी में से बैठी है, गाड़ी में से उतर के अंदर गई है।
अच्छा, चलिए, उस बच्ची की जो डेथ,
एक बच्ची उनमें से कैजुअलिटी हुई, एक बच्चे को रेफर जयपुर कर दिया गया, बाकी सब ठीक है।
All right, so a fatal accident there in Dausa, and now an FIR has been filed against the driver of BJP MP Hema Malini's car. As the police was saying, it seems the Mercedes was speeding, although the Alto driver also was not paying attention, and Hema Malini also received some injuries. Well, let's go across to Harsha now, who joins us from Dausa. So, Harsha, what are the details now? This FIR has been filed against the driver of Hema Malini's car.
Yes, well, absolutely. There is an FIR against the driver of Hema Malini's car. We are also hearing that the police have actually detained him. They came last night and they've detained the driver, because remember, he was coming from one side, and what we've understood, this car which was coming, the Alto, was taking a turn towards a place called Lalsot on the highway. There's a divider, and as it was taking a turn and this car was coming from the other side, they seem to have had a collision there. That's what preliminary reports are saying. The driver of the car, Hanuman, has lodged an FIR last night against the Mercedes. Of course, the people in the Alto are very, very serious. 2 of them especially, they've been brought to Jaipur. The other family members have also been brought here. You know that a little girl died in that accident on the spot, which took place at about 8:50 and 9 o'clock last night. Hema Malini herself did receive some injuries on her face. She received some stitches also. We spoke to eyewitnesses who brought her here yesterday, who were at the accident spot, and they said that had the airbags of that Mercedes not opened up, she would have been more severely injured. So it was a very, very serious accident, and the police now will probably question the driver, and we'll be bringing you updates on that through the day.
Right, so Harsha, but the details, it seems Hema Malini's car was going fast, but they were going straight down the highway, and it was the Alto that was actually taking a U-turn.
Well, not taking a U-turn, taking a turn towards the, if it was coming from Jaipur, it was taking a turn towards the right. And the car was fast. I think it was at about 120, 130. That's what we've been told. But since there was no speedometer there to sort of make an exact assessment of that, those details we'll get you by and by. As of now, we don't have them. But yes, the Mercedes was traveling fast on a highway, and the Alto was taking a turn. Now, the exact details of that, like I said, I'm going to get you as we have them.
All right, and what of the family? The people in the Alto are seriously injured. Hema Malini too received a gash above her eye.
Well, yes, you can see here at this hospital behind me, Hema Malini has been admitted here last night. She came here, she got off and walked in on her own. There is a police deployment here because they are expecting that her family will be arriving here soon. So a huge police deployment here. Also a lot of people who have collected here. So, but you know, whether she, apparently according to the doctors, we are going to be getting more on her at about 11 o'clock today. But according to the doctors and to people who went and met her yesterday, she is fine. Her injuries can be described as minor and surface injuries.
And the people in the Alto, what of them?
Well, the Alto people are seriously injured as far as from what we've been told. As I told you, one girl died, one 4-year-old child died. Her younger brother is in hospital, so is her mother, and her father and the other relative have also been brought to to the Jaipur hospital this morning.
All right, Harsha, thanks so much for joining us. Harsha, they're reporting from Dausa on that fatal accident that took place yesterday. A young girl died and Hema Malini being treated in hospital, as are the other members in that Alto car.